Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are making patatas bravas, and this one is one of the most famous Spanish tapas out there. I think that the Spanish, when they walk into a pub, they usually judge the food by how good the patatas bravas is, because if that's not good, nothing else is good apparently. I wouldn't know, but it's super easy to make, and this has been something I've been craving for quite some time now, so finally got the opportunity to make it and share it with you guys. So let's show you guys how to make it, because it's super easy to make, it smells divine, and it tastes so good. So let's show you guys how to make the patatas bravas. Here we have approximately 1 kilogram of potatoes that we've peeled, washed, and cut into about 1.5 centimeter cubes. We have here 1 cup vegetable broth, and here we have our spices. So here we have about 2 teaspoons smoked Spanish paprika, the sweet one, and here we have a smoked Spanish paprika but the hot one, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 1/4 cup olive oil, and half a teaspoon of vinegar. Our first step is to fry the potatoes until they turn golden brown. So while our potatoes are frying, we're going to heat up our olive oil for about 3 minutes. And this is Spanish extra virgin olive oil. After 3 minutes, we're just going to take it off the heat and gently pour it into a bowl. Now I'm going to check on the potatoes, because you should also keep a constant watch on them. So a few more minutes. After transferring it to a bowl, we're going to add our Spanish paprika, the sweet one and the hot one. And we're also going to be adding the cornstarch. And we're going to whisk all of that together until you don't have any more lumps. Our potatoes are nice and golden brown, so now we're just going to take them off the heat. So now in a pan on medium heat, we're going to just add in the olive oil with the paprikas. So now we're going to slowly start adding in the vegetable broth while continuously whisking in order to get a sauce consistency. Now that you've added all your vegetable stock, you're going to just add in the salt as well as the vinegar, and this will just balance out all the flavors. And you're going to continuously stir it until it starts to boil. You can see it started to boil, so now we'll just turn it off the heat. So to serve, you're just going to take your sauce off the heat. Presentation, in a shallow bowl, make sure it's shallow, put in your potatoes, and using a spoon pour the brava sauce over the potatoes, and make sure to pour a generous amount. So now after you've poured in a generous amount of the brava sauce, you're just going to finish it off with some parsley, and your patatas bravas is ready. So this is our patatas bravas, and it smells absolutely divine. It really looks amazing, the nice golden brown color of the potatoes, so I can't wait to try. So this brings us to the end of today's video. I hope that you guys like today's content, and if you like this kind of content, please like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and follow me for more content. So I'm available on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Discord. So please support me to make more content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.